we have everything that we just did, even though it's a drill for working on your timing and working on getting between moves, you could execute that in performance, right? Where you're doing your chasing the sun, and then you come in, you're doing your hip reel, you come into your chasing the sun, you come into your pinwheel, and then I don't think what we did on this side matched the other side. I don't know that we did the extensions, so let's make sure we do those 3 and 2 and 1. Go back to small, now split the time, and we'll try and go big, so the left then right, so it's left then right big, left then right big, left then right big, left then right big, and then back to small, and then back to together time. So now I'm gonna do the same thing watching you. So we'll do big, so go 3 big, and 2 big, and 1 big, and now split the time. And then we'll go big for 4, and 3, and 2, and last one. Okay, you did this, you went big, and then small, and then big, and then small. I want you to be able to do that, but also be able to do big repeatedly. So let's say 4 bigs in a row. So let's make sure you have that. We have those combinations. Then similarly, on this side, we have the same thing, right? Okay, so the hip reel, and then coming through the chasing the sun, and then coming back to the hip reel, then splitting the time, and back to some version of same time, and then coming up to the pinwheel, and then we're doing the together time pinwheel, and then while we're doing the together time pinwheel, go big 3 and 2 and 1, and then back to small, then split your time, and then we're going to go big 3, 2, 1, and back to small. We'll go big again, and lead with your right hand. Your right hand goes first. Your right hand goes first. Yes. Yes, exactly right. And then go back to small. And then come back to together time. And we'll come back into chasing the sun. Okay, so you have all of those. Then in theory, you have this, where you're in the pinwheel and you turn into the overhand weave. And then you also have, if you switch your feet, you can turn to the left into the other pinwheel facing away from me. So you won't be able to see me anymore when you get up to the pinwheel. And in theory, it would be the clockwise one. Let's try this way. Turn around and do overhand here. We're gonna turn to the left. This time when you turn to the left, you should be able to see me. When your right hand is on top, you turn and you pull your left one back behind your head, the right one following, into the clockwise pinwheel. And then you should be able to turn back to the right into overhand weave. So when the right hand is on top, you bring the left hand back behind, the right one follows, you come into clockwise pinwheel, and you could do your big 3 and 2 and 1, back to the regular size, turn right, come into overhand weave, and then we can turn back to the pinwheel. When the right hand is on top, pull the left hand back behind the head, and then go big 3 and 2 and 1, and we're going to turn right into overhand weave again. And then when the right hand is on top, turn left, bring the left hand back behind, and go big 3 and 2 and 1, and back into together time. Now turn to the right, you're in overhand, open your legs, double stall between your legs, come out in underhand. Now from here, come up into the pinwheel counterclockwise, together time, then split your time. Then we're going to turn to the left into the overhand weave here on this side. And then when your left hand is on top, you turn to the right, pull your right hand back behind, and you come into counterclockwise pinwheel. And then you bring your left hand down, cross your right hand on top of it as you turn left into overhand weave. Then when your left hand is on top, pull your right hand back behind your head, come into counterclockwise pinwheel, and now we'll go big 3 and 2 and 1, and come back to regular size, turn left, come back down into overhand weave. And then one more time when the left hand is on top, pull the right hand back behind, come into counterclockwise pinwheel, go big right, first, and 2 more times, and another time, back to the pinwheel, turn left, we're going to come into overhand weave, open up the weave. Now what I want you to do is take your left poi and stall your left poi. It's gonna come out an underhand. Your right hand is overhand. And here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna turn in a 360 plus another 90 degrees. So the first 90 degrees here, now we'll do a 360 from here. You're in the overhand butterfly, right takeout, turn your body away from me, come into underhand butterfly on the back wall, flip your right poi out, turn your body, come back, face me, and flip your left poi into overhand butterfly. Now we'll turn to the left poi comes out, turn, your right poi comes into underhand butterfly on the back wall, flip the left one out, turn, right one comes in, underhand butterfly on the back wall, scooping underneath, flip the left poi out, do a figure 8 with the left poi back behind you, turn your body, and then flip your right poi into overhand butterfly. So let's go back to the right. Take the right one out, turn 180 degrees, come into underhand butterfly on the back wall. Yes, and flip your right one out, turn 180 degrees, face me, left one comes in, you're an overhand butterfly here. Then flip your left one out. Yes, and turn, come into underhand butterfly on the back wall. Figure 8 with the right hand. Yes, then flip your left one out, turn, and into overhand butterfly facing the front.